Continuing off of some apps that actually had the ability to combat against screen addiction, we actually have some ideas we would like to showcase as well in terms of how we feel like we can combat screen addiction. What do you think, Ishan?
I agree. So basically, we did a case study of an app to show how social media apps use features to kind of allow and encourage screen addiction. We want to contrast this with features that we feel might help stop an addiction from even forming. For example, we use Instagram, and we'll go over 3 examples of features that Instagram could add to their app that would be hugely effective in reducing screen addiction.
Exactly. So Instagram, we know, is so addictive due to some of the features that are currently in use. First off, they make use of a feature known as infinite scrolling, which is actually a web design technique that loads content continuously as users scroll down the page. And this produces a never-ending feed that encourages users to spend more time scrolling through the app. And to combat this, we thought of using an idea that has sort of been introduced on TikTok. After Instagram acknowledges that a user has spent a certain amount of time on the app, which can actually be deemed excessive, we feel like Instagram should be able to display a post in the user's regular feed that discourages the user from continuing to scroll. Just the stall and focus can actually allow the users to reevaluate whether or not they want to continue using the app or take a break.
The second feature that we'd like to introduce to Instagram is a usage tracker built right into the app. Currently, the app has 5 tabs at the bottom of the interface that provide its functionality and give users access to search bars, feeds, response information, as well as other data. If a usage tab was added to the interface, users would be more aware of how much time they spend on the app and would therefore be more likely to consider whether or not they would actually want to spend that time on the app. The tracking system also encourages users to monitor and understand their social media dependence. Currently, Instagram has no feature like this on their platform.
And for a third feature we believe could actually help Instagram users combat screen addiction is actually setting time limits or certain features and functionalities within the app. Setting time limits on these features within the app. Studies actually show that one of the reasons people, particularly young adults, spend so much time on social media is because they have the ability to search for content and view results that are only tangential in their relevance. This ability to search allows users to spend more time that they intentionally intended by providing content that they didn't initially want to see. Therefore, a feature that disables the search bar tool within the Instagram app after a certain period of time or a certain amount of usage within the day may actually help users spend less time on the app. This would be extremely effective in combating screen addiction. Now that's all that we have for today. This is Saksham
And Ishan.
and thank you for listening to our presentation.